Welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Microsoft Word and word processors, and we're going to look at the feature for hyphenation. That is when a word is split over a line and you put that little dash in between just to say that it's continuation of the word. We're going to see how we can control those settings or how that appears in our Word documents. So here I've got a Word document, and at the moment, if you look by default, the settings are normally that it will not hyphenate your words. You'll see that if the word does not fit, like for example that word document, it does not fit, it'll put it on a brand new line. So to see where the settings are for hyphenation, we're going to come here to layout, and you'll see here is hyphenation. If I click on hyphenation, you can see that it's set to none. If we set it to automatic, then you'll see that for example, that word document, do you notice how it's been hyphenated there? So the doc part is there and the U is put on that side. And it's done that throughout operation. So it's tried to minimize the text, bring everything up. If it can fit the word and it can hyphenate the word, for example, into its 2 syllables, that's what it tends to do, then it will hyphenate it. That's how you can put your hyphenation on. But if we go back to none and then we set it to manual, it will actually ask us, do we want to hyphenate that? And I'll say no for that one, no for that one, yes for that one, no for that one, no for that one. And so you can manually go through and select which ones you want to hyphenate. And if I cancel, you can see that it's done the hyphenation for the ones that we manually want to do. So that's how you can manually set it. There are other options. We're going to come here. You can say hyphenate only words in caps. So you're okay with that. You can take that off. You can automatically hyphenate the document to set it on. And again, if you click on the manual, it'll go through it manually and ask you which ones do you want to hyphenate. So you have all these settings for hyphenation. Maybe you want to have hyphenation on, so let's put it automatic, but it would be easier for you to not have hyphenation in a certain instance. So let's say in these 2 paragraphs, you'll notice there's some hyphenation there. Let's say with these 2, we do not want any hyphenation. Then you can come to your paragraph settings. You can actually click on it there, or you can click on there, or you can right click and go to paragraph. And you'll see these settings, but if you come here to line and page breaks, you can actually set it to say don't hyphenate these 2 paragraphs that are selected. So if you do that, the hyphenation still applies to the other paragraphs, but you can manually say these are the ones that you don't want to hyphenate. There we go, and that's how easy it is. That is hyphenation. It would mean the world to us if you could please be a subscriber and stay a subscriber, because I'm sure we'll be posting videos that can help you in everyday life. So make sure that you subscribe to Atmos Long Education, share us with your friends, and remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.